subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenzo to TV, Kipetra Premiership, Orlando Pirates 2, Sikukune 0. I'm joined by Emmanuel.
Sure, Steve. Sasho sithi la kuse university.
Edis.
Elesikolweni xa bolo. Batatwa kubaba.
That university.
With a bus Kukune 3 times in 8 days. Round number 1 siyenzile.
Yeah.
Number 2 we done it today.
Yeah.
Number 3 is coming.
Yeah.
4 days coming, then we are going to give them the round number
then they are
3.
done.
They're strong one, we are done. We are going to the final. Whoever is coming, we're gonna beat them.
Even Maraba start.
Let them come one by one.
Yeah.
Slag.
Man of the match.
Mutian, what a star, what a player, what a player.
I know radio part.
Look at the passes. I'm a passes here. We are dish.
Yeah.
We are dish. We are touch.
Yeah.
Uspro. Bakuthi inkomo uzosprova ukuthi kupare. Unfortunately, kupare akuna inkomo lapha.
Umthiyani wadisha shengo.
Disha njenge hayi not to us. Njenge ngetito. Wabona itito. Itito uthi choose ukuthi wenzani wena. Fake nete. Fake nete. Izogcwala mfowethu.
Thank you, Baba.
Izogcwala mfowethu. Let's come Saturday and then we support our team.
Yes,
then we'll start booking the flights to Durban or Cape Town.
Yeah, sure.
We are going to play the final MTN 8 with.
Yeah.
Noma kanjani?
Sure.
Operation Tega ikwashi.
Ingwash.